Hi guys, are you experiencing the iPhone screen frozen issue? What do I mean by that? If your iPhone is hanging and you are looking for a way to solve the issue, so this is the simplest way to solve the issue. Firstly, you have to restart your phone. Then, if it is in a situation whereby your iPhone is not working, the screen is not working, everything is frozen. So this is the best way to solve the issue. You have to first start the phone manually. Okay, you click on power button. Firstly, you click on volume up, volume down, and the power button. You hold on power button for 10 seconds. So let's do it. Let's do it. So let's do it. You tap here 1, 2. Okay. So let me change my fingers because of my nails. Okay. You 1, 2, hold here. As you can see, what you are seeing is slide to power off. So if you hold there, the phone will automatically restart by itself. I would like you to consider like this video and subscribe to our channel. Once it is done, the screen frozen issue will be settled and normalized. Okay, so consider to share this video to your friends. I'd like you to consider. And one thing you need to know that this thing can work from iPhone X, the latest version of your iPhone. Okay, the thing is restarting, so have to wait. As you can see, it has started working.